Have you ever wondered what a crisis preparedness audit is? Well, buckle up, because today we dive into the world of audits. But not just any audits, we're talking about crisis preparedness audits. It is a term that may sound complex and intimidating, but by the end of this video, you'll find it as simple as reciting your ABCs. So, what is a crisis preparedness audit? In simple, understandable terms, it is a systematic examination that determines how well an organization can manage a crisis. This audit scrutinizes an organization's plans, procedures, and systems, ensuring they are robust enough to withstand a crisis. Picture this: every organization, like a ship, must be ready to sail through stormy waters. A crisis preparedness audit is like a safety drill, checking whether the ship is well equipped to handle these storms. It's the life jacket that keeps the organization afloat when the waves of crisis come crashing. Now let's break it down a bit more. A crisis preparedness audit focuses on three main areas: the crisis management plan, the crisis communication plan, and the business continuity plan. First, the crisis management plan. This is the organization's roadmap during a crisis. It outlines the actions to be taken, the roles of different members, and the resources needed to tackle the crisis effectively. Next, the crisis communication plan. During a crisis, communication is key. This plan ensures that accurate information is relayed promptly to all relevant parties. It's the lighthouse guiding the ship through a stormy night. Lastly, the business continuity plan. This plan ensures the organization can continue its essential functions during and after a crisis. It's the compass that keeps the ship sailing towards its destination, even amidst the storm. So, why is a crisis preparedness audit important? It is the difference between surviving a crisis and succumbing to it. It is the difference between being proactive and being reactive. It is the difference between continuity and closure. To summarize, a crisis preparedness audit is a systematic examination of an organization's capacity to handle a crisis. It focuses on the crisis management plan, the crisis communication plan, and the business continuity plan. It is an indispensable tool for every organization, ensuring it is well equipped to sail through the stormy waters of a crisis. And there you have it, a simple breakdown of the crisis preparedness audit. Remember, an organization without a crisis preparedness audit is like a ship sailing without a compass, a lighthouse, or a life jacket. So, ensure your organization is well prepared, because when the storm hits, it won't be a question of if, but when.